Okay, complete this sentence using a or an. Hem sağlaşla, şu a yoki n to'ldirib beringlar. N'dan akil to'g'risanglar oldi. Sizuq tavshar bu bağlığa, ama şu n shil. Xo'sh, hamsam shu sizlarniki kitobning mashqasi to'ldirib beringlar. Birinchisi, it is Swedish car. Hem mana uzuk tavshar bo'lganligini, it is a Swedish car. She is air hostess. Air hostess degan nima? Aeroxon qiz, tushunami? She's an air hostess. U bo'lsa bir nima? Aeroplan kutkisi. Good. Masalan, this is an English car. Bu bo'lsa nima? Bir Angliyaning mashinasi. Xo'sh, shans mana qaranglar. It is qanday car? It is an English car. Asosiy tavshar bo'lgan Angliyaning mashinasi. Masalan, it is Japanese car. Qanday Japanese'ga uzuk tavishdan boshlandi? A Japanese car. And this is Italian ma aynen bilan so'zliq tavishunga mana an Italian car. What about next? It is French car. Mana qaysini A mi yoki N mi? A yoki B? It is a French car. He is American boy. O bo'lsa bir Amerikalik o'g'il bola. And Amerikalik bo'lganki ma A bilan boshlandi, shunga nima aytsanlar? An American boy. An American boy. King's she is student. What kind of student? She is a student. She is a student. Bob is not a teacher. A teacher. Good? Yaxshi. And sağlaşda mushu ulgu misol ekan, o'shunga asosida ishlab beringlar, qaranglar. Shirt bilan white ni berib tushunami? Başta onun rengini so'raydiganmiz. What color are your shirts? Okay, sizniki ko'ynaklaringizning rangi nima? Our shirts are white. Bizniki nimalar? Ko'ynaklar white, oq rangda. Tushunami? Demak, endi shuni so'g'anda ko'plikni ishlatganmiz. Xo'sh, endi ties bilan orange, galstuklar endi oblisni rangda. Endi so'raydiganimiz nima dersanglar, sizniki galstuklaringizning rangi nima? Onun rengi oblisni rangi. Now, and this thing galstuklarыңыздың rangi again. What color are your ties? What color are your ties? Okay, cevap bergen nima? Our ties are orange. Bizniki bu galstuklar qaysi rangda? Orange da. Demek nima? Oblisni rangi. Demek men mashq darsini qaranglar. Endi mana ishlab beringlar, text bilan yellow. Okay. Endi sizning biletlaringizning rangi nima? The name is arkadaşlar. What color are your tickets? Şunama. What color are your tickets? Our tickets are nima? Yellow. Bizning biletlar qanday rangda? Yellow. Sariq rangda. So, how many cookies could a cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? Okay. And then cookies qayt nima desanlar, bir tongue twisters. And the cookies deganimiz shu pecheni prang cookies deymiz. And how many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? Okay, and bu nima desanlar, how many cookies? Qanchadal pecheni prangni could qilalari a good cook cook. A good cook. A good cook deganimiz yaxshi oshpaz. Cook degan etdi. If agar a good cook, agar bir yaxshi oshpaz could cook cookies, mush pecheni prangni qanday pishira olsa. Demakki, agar bir yaxshi oshpaz pecheni prangni pishira olsa, azali qancha pecheni prangni bir yaxshi oshpaz qila oladi yoki italadi deymiz. How many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook could cook cookies? How many cookies could a good cook cook if the good cook could cook cookies? All right. Actually, we can. How many cookies could a good cook cook if a cook cook good? All right, sorry. I'm amazed with Parmiamiana. How many cookies could a good cook cook? How many cookies could good cook cook? If a good cook cook cookies, could cook cookies. could cook cookies. Demakchi, endi mishariki cookies deganimiz pecheni prani cookninki bir ism bo'lganda ma'nosi oshpaz, pil bo'lganda ma'nosi tomoq etmak degan gap, ha. Endi mishariki a good cook could cook as much as cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. And in there a good cook good cook could cook bir yaxshi oshpaz tomoq etalaydi. As much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Demakchi, bir yaxshi oshpaz shu pechin pranik pishirolgandek ko'plikda shu pechin praniklarni pishiralaydi deydi. Buning ma'nosi bek tetiqsiz bo'ldi ba'zida. Lekin ham misharika nima desam, tilimizni qanaqaligi mashka. A good cook could sorry. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Chamo qiyalaydi. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Birinchi, how many cookies could a good cook cook if a good cook cookies? Degandek, bo'ldi. Mushu sizlar qilib qoldi. Bizniki mushtunga qaytarib berganlar qani, qaysanlar yomon. Xo'sh, bizning mushak darsimiz mushakcha olsun. And see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.